Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can make your tree trimming and yard maintenance tasks much easier, the 2-in-1 cordless pole saw. We found this product online and included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what is this product? The 2-in-1 cordless pole saw is a versatile yard tool designed to help you trim trees and cut branches with ease. It features a powerful 1000W brushless motor that delivers up to 40% more power than traditional motors. This means you can achieve cutting speeds of up to 35 feet per second and tackle logs with diameters ranging from 4 to 10 inches without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this pole saw. First and foremost, the instant conversion capability is a game changer. With just a tool-free switch, you can seamlessly transition from a handheld mini chainsaw to a pole saw within seconds. This versatility means you can handle both ground-level trimming and high branch cutting with one tool, saving you space, time, and effort. One of the most impressive aspects is the telescopic pole, which extends from 5.4 feet to 9.5 feet. This extension allows you to reach a working height of up to 16 feet, making it perfect for trimming high tree limbs safely from the ground. No more balancing on shaky ladders, this tool eliminates fall risks and is ideal for any backyard or garden maintenance. Next, let's discuss the battery. The 4000 mAh large capacity battery ensures you can complete your cutting tasks without interruption, offering around 60 to 70 minutes of operation on a full charge. Just a quick tip, make sure to charge the battery fully before use, which takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. Another great feature is the automatic chain lubrication system. It's designed to keep your saw running smoothly during use. Simply fill the 30 milliliter oil tank and press the oil bulb, no more manual lubrication required. This not only reduces wear and tear on the saw and chain but also ensures consistent cutting performance throughout your tasks. Who is this product suitable for? The lightweight design makes it accessible to a wide range of users. Weighing just 3.6 pounds as a handheld tool and 5.69 pounds when combined with the extension pole, it's manageable for everyone, including women and the elderly. Plus, the included shoulder strap helps distribute the weight, reducing arm fatigue for longer cutting sessions. In terms of practical use cases, this pole saw is perfect for maintaining your backyard or garden. Whether you need to trim overgrown branches, shape hedges, or clear fallen limbs, this tool can handle it all. It's a fantastic solution for homeowners looking to keep their outdoor spaces tidy without the hassle of hiring professionals. Lastly, if you find that the battery life is not sufficient for your needs, there are exclusive compatible batteries available for purchase separately. These can extend your runtime, ensuring you get the most out of your chainsaw. So, there you have it, the 2-in-1 cordless pole saw is an efficient, user-friendly solution for all your tree trimming needs. With its powerful motor, dual functionality, and safety features, it's a tool worth considering for anyone looking to take care of their yard.